Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the House Mouse collaboration for November 2021. And we've been doing this year every month with a different subject, and the subject for November is gratitude. And this is my project for the month. I did this on, what kind of paper is this? I think this is honestly mixed media paper. It's not watercolor paper, but I decided to watercolor it. And I typically use my Prang watercolors, and that's exactly what I used for this. So I'm not happy with the job that I did on it. First of all, there's a lot of uneven coloring, which is often what you find in watercolor, but it's not what I wanted. Then there's this, I forget what this is called, when, you know, you could see those lines and etc. there. Also, they seem to be floating in the sky somewhere because I didn't ground it with any surface. So they're just floating in the blue sky. And I like the shading that I did. I just mixed up a little bit of black to do some shading. Or I watered down some black to do shading. Of course, I can never open this. All right. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, I'm already out of the yellow. I tried to find refills for the yellow, but you have to buy like a package of 10 of them. And because these are student grade, I guess. Professional, but student grade, I don't know. And I'm basically out of the yellow. The next color I used is red, blue, but very little of the black. But you just take a little bit of it and you'll have to water it down a lot. And you can get yourself various shades of gray. Add a little bit of purple to it and you can warm it up. And, you know, I like how that came out. And I just followed some of the shading that was already there in the image. And, yeah. So, yeah, that's my project. I mounted it on some black cardstock. Then this is like one of 3 of the last of that I have of this pre-made card and envelope stock that I've been using. And I've used this mostly on all of the House Mouse Collab projects that I've made over the years. This has been a collab that's been going on for quite some time. Gracie21 started it many years ago. I mean, many. I don't remember when, maybe 2018, 2017. I don't know, but she started it back then, and we did it this year. She had passed away, I believe in, God, I didn't even know when it was, 2020, and so we started again this year in her honor. And I didn't have any enamel dots that would work, so I just used some tiny little bit of dots of this irresistible embellisher, Pico embellisher from Imagine Crafts. It's in silver. Would be nice if you could see that. It's in silver. And I've had this in my stash for a while, like everything else. And so I've been pulling it out and I've left it on my desk so I can see it and think of using it. I have it also in clear and transparent. I have it in copper. If you've used these before, let me know how you've used them. And I also have it in gold. Oh, the sun is coming out. And I've played with it a little bit, you know, just doing stuff like this. But Anyway, so I put 3 little dots there. This is a Tim Holtz set. I think it's Tim Holtz. No, it's not. It's Simon Says Stamp. And that's it. That's my card for this month. Again, the theme is thankful, and thank you so much for joining me in this series. Please take a look in the description bar below, because there's a lot of other people in this series, and they've done projects as well using their house mouse stamps. And I really appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much, everybody. Bye.